Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do my favorites, and I have a lot of different products, so let's just go ahead and get into it. So Gelish foundation, if you have been with my channel, and I mean like back in the day with my channel, you guys know I love me some Gelish foundation, and what I actually really like about this is the brush. So, it's not in frame. The brush is this tiny brush. And you can really scrub it in. It's super stiff and you can just really like get it in there. Like if you have your nail, like you can just like scrub on it, and like when you push forward you don't have to worry about the bristles folding under. Absolutely love this, and it's pretty much on every single one of my videos, so you guys know it's true. Next thing I have is this peel off base. So this was a secret of mine for a little while. I wouldn't say not necessarily a secret, but I definitely have been using this for a while. Like I'm not sure if you guys, can see there is quite a bit gone because you literally need the tiniest amount. But I just picked up Hollow Taco from Isabel May Nails. She suggested this one, so I'm curious to see how well this one's going to work, but I have been using a ton. I mean, like you can see the difference in like the bubble. So this is definitely a favorite. I got this off Amazon. I'll link what I can below for you guys. All right, this is kind of like a double one. So the cat eye polishes, you guys know I'm obsessed with them. This is the pink one. I have a tutorial using the nude one. It's just, they're just so stinking pretty. Like I just love these guys so much. And then the second thing I got, which I don't know if you guys have seen a video on this yet, but I got these like toppers. So I like to keep my gels in a drawer. I'm like, let's hide everything. And this is amazing because this one didn't have numbers on it, but it had the color here. But when you have it in your drawer like this, for example, I'll pull out a couple here. I mean, you're not gonna be able to tell what that is. So I have them in a drawer and it allows me to see the color, and I love it. I'll link it below again as much as I can. I have these two colors from OPI. This is Russian Navy, which I think is a staple in anyone's collection. So I will just swatch a little bit of it. So you can see it's super kind of tealish, but when you do your second coat, it just becomes this most beautiful navy. It's like a black navy, but in real life, oops, wrong way. In real life, it is definitely navy. So definitely a favorite of mine, and I've used it quite a bit this winter. So January obviously naturally would fall in that. Next we have the Lincoln Park After Dark. If you have been with me, again I say that I have used Lincoln Park After Dark quite a bit, or if I pick up a color that is similar to this color, I always mention Lincoln Park After Dark. So when you put a 2-coat layer, obviously this is not a 2-coat layer, so I'm just kind of building up as if it was a 2-coat layer. This is a purple that looks black but also looks purple. It's the best thing ever, and Light Elegance has a couple that are super close to this. Let's see. I think Main Attraction is the one I'm thinking of. No, that's too purple. maybe meandering in Moscow. Yeah, that's the one I was thinking. It's super close. This is a little bit more purple, but it looks black, and you can kind of see it in the cover. So these are just staples that I use pretty much every winter. It's just amazing. Okay, moving on. We have Light Elegance and Super Shiny Top Coat. This is probably my most used top coat, and I have a backup at all times. I took a while to go through my first one, and the reason was because of the brush. I just posted a video of like my iridescent nails, and the reason I took so long to have this is because of the brush. They they revamped the brush, and this brush is the most amazing thing I have ever seen in a top coat brush. I'm trying to, I don't want that to, but it's so thin, it's just amazing. And like when you put it on your nails, it just spreads out so well. So this is a favorite for sure. And to go along with that, you've been on my channel since this has been released. Yeah, there's no doubt in my mind that you have not seen this once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, a million times. So this brush is a little bit different. This has the same feel as the Super Shiny brush, but this has a flat edge. I would probably love to see this with this type of brush, but I'm okay with the flat edge. I have no problem applying with it. So this one is a builder in a bottle, and it's just magical. It's magical. I don't know how to describe it any other way. It's what I have on my nails now. My nails are pretty old. They're like 2 weeks old. You can see some of that growth there. This is the nail that I damaged, which I can link that video below, but like I have it built up a little bit towards here because my damage was like right in the middle there. So this is just awesome. Next is Madam Glam. So I do have a discount code. I'll put it on the screen and down below. This is their Builder Sheer Pink. It is such a pretty color. Just wash that out completely. Such a pretty color. To me, it looks a little purple sometimes, especially if you put it next to a super kind of stark pink, but it's just the softest pink. It's stunning. I absolutely love this pink. Again, I'll link that discount code below, but I'm enjoying builder in a bottle type thing, so that is definitely on my list. Speaking builder in a bottle, we have Luminary. So this is in Harmony. This is the first one I have ever got. And this is the color, which let me show you the difference between Luminary and this pink builder. This is going to look, here is Luminary with the gold or rose gold, I'm not quite sure what color it is, and then that Madam Glam. It does look a little bit more purple, but it's just because it's a lighter pink. So I wanted to just show you quickly because I hadn't mentioned that. But I absolutely love Luminary. It was a dream to apply. It applied like Jimmy Gel. It was really, really, really nice. And 189 billion% will use this again and probably get other colors. And I'll probably do the dot on top like I had done on the other guys. I haven't done it on the OPI yet, but I will get there. All right, let's talk. So this from Double Dip, this is Sugar Swizzle, and I have a video using this that I did with some Louis Vuitton stickers. I'm gonna dim this, yeah. Look at that. It is just so pretty. I had compared it to Be In Your Bonnet from Light Elegance, which you guys know is my hands down favorite glitter of all time. I mean, you can see how much, I just do my own nails and you can see how much I use. So, not that they're that comparable, but that like iridescent glitter is in there as well. A little bit finer, but this needs to go on my nails again soon. Love this guy. Loved the design I did with it. I did like a marble Louis Vuitton nail with this. Well, I might as well just keep going. This was a favorite, which is very good. This winter / January time frame, you can see I've used quite a bit. It's just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Talk dirt to me. If you guys have been on my channel, this is an absolute staple now. I tried to buy, there you go, Vanilla Bean, but I think they discontinued it. And then this one like released as I was going to buy Vanilla Bean. And I wear this a ton, including in the winter. This is just a nice, like solid, great nude color. Let's talk tools, and I have a couple more gel stuff too. So this guy, my universal everything tool, my cleanup tool, my flower tool, my everything tool. So this is the pointed silicone tool. Amazing. Not too stiff, not stiff, you know what I mean? It's just amazing. Next, I have been loving the paints from Young Nails, or just kind of gel paints in general. I do have the Light Elegance ones. I will have a video, I think, up eventually on them. I don't have it finished yet, but just the paints in general. I do find this one yellowed ever so slightly. I mean, you can kind of see it's a little bit yellowed. So when I cure, it's tiny, 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 tiny bit yellow. The Light Elegance one, I don't have that issue, but it's not something that I would, I wouldn't not use this. I'm still gonna use it. Next thing I absolutely love is these little jars. So I got these off Amazon from a video that I watched from Lisette. If you don't know who Lisette is, she is another YouTuber on here, and I wanted to do some custom paints. So this is a nude color skin tone that I made. Obviously not mine, but it is a skin tone color. And I use this around Halloween. It's a glow in the dark. So these pots specifically is what I have been loving as well. They are double walled. You can see they have the white, then they have that silver. I think in one of Lisette's newer videos, she had mentioned that the silver ones were out and I had black ones. So I'll link which ones I can find. If these are not available, I'll link the other ones. Okay, we're almost done, I promise. I know, we're in. Okay. So this is just a metal gel paint. This is gold, even though it looks silver. It's because it needs to be mixed up. Just the gold metal gel paint. You guys have seen it in many things. Amazing, and they're all the same. So I have this one, and then I have this guy. It's Miss Cheering. I don't know if this one's open. No, it's not. I do have one that's open though, I think. Maybe it's this green one. Yes. So, I mean, they're literally identical. So, I don't find one to be better than the other. I just really, really like the metal paints. That's probably more what I'm talking about versus the actual paint brand themselves. All right. Second to last kind of section. So this is a little dirty because I'm about to do some more. This is a newer bit. This is a coarse bit from Pana, there we go. And it is a flat top, but it has that kind of protective layer. So this is a little bit thinner than one of these dome. So I have, again, ignore the fact that this has gel in it. See how the dome sticks out more? And that's a medium, but this is a coarse. But it's not as scary as using a straight up flat bit. Let's put this down so I don't have to pretend like this is going well. Okay. So here, they're magnetized together apparently. Okay, that's weird. Stop that. Maybe it's underneath that's being magnetized. So I have where the drill part would start. Well, I did. Okay. So that's where the course is. So you can see that these two don't have much of a difference here. But this guy who's domed, which is protective, is a much bigger, where this one is not. It's super flat, but not as like you can cut yourself with that one. So what I was trying to say is this is thebomb.com. I'll link it below. Again, half the stuff is from Amazon because that's where I buy a lot of my stuff. Okay, so these are some of my favorites because you guys know I have been doing tips on my nails, and so you may not have seen some of these, but YOLO. So these are where I store them. I just kind of put them all in here. You can see some of my previous videos in there. So love these. So I buy them separately. I buy the actual plate, and then I have the sticky part. So the sticky part is a separate that you can cut to size, and it's double-sided, and it's like, it's not just normal double-sided tape. It's like you can see, it's like, oh, I'm not even framed, stretchy. So it's definitely, like if you know press-on nails, everyone wears those. That's what they stick their press-on nails with. Obviously you can see I pressed my nails on there. Okay, I know. Last thing, these sticky tabs. I got them off Amazon. I got a ton of them. This is what I use my fake nails with. So when I am doing a set, for example, this is a Galaxy Valentine's Day set, and I put it over my nails, I'm using a sticky tab on my nails, and then I'm placing the nail on and then doing my design. So that way I can produce more tutorials without using a practice hand, or I'm turning my practice hand into my hand. So those are my favorites. I hope you guys stuck with me. The long video, I'm sorry, but again, I will link as much as I can below as possible. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.